Hello friends, in the series of excavation safety measures, the first thing you have to understand about the soil texture. Then only you can manage the soil management and what is the soil mechanic is there and what type of precautions are required and what are all these things you need to know. So let us try to understand quickly on before we go to the safety measures. Let us try to understand the soil texture classification and how it is classified actually. So soil texture, understanding the fundamentals of soil. So exploring how particle size determines soil behavior, because it is all depends on the soil size. So what is soil texture? Soil texture refer to the feel and appearance of soil determined by the relative proportions of three fundamental mineral particles. For this only it is made the soil: sand, silt and clay. So the all are silica only, silica, and these particles vary dramatically in size and profoundly influence critical soil properties including water retention capacity, aeration levels and overall fertility potential. So importantly, stone and gravel are included from texture classification as it is not very dangerous as the soil's characteristic. They don't contribute. So particle size, just for your you don't have to remember, but you have to remember. Sorry, but you have just should have the understanding. What is the difference between if you are saying clay particles, then it is less than zero point zero 0.00 mm dia, extremely fine particle that feel sticky when wet and form cohesive mass. Silt particles 0.002 mm to 0.05 mm, medium sized particles with a smooth powdery feel when dry. Sand particles is 0.05 to 2 mm. So largest particles with a distinctively gritty texture further subdivided from very fine to very coarse. So this is how the soil texture pyramid is there. So the soil texture triangle combines the percentage of sand, silt and clay. So this percentage how it is. The including sandy clay and silt loam. So 12 distinct texture are classified. So for example, a soil containing 20% clay and 20% sand would be classified as silt loam. Okay, so 20% clay, 60% silt and 20% sand. If it is there, then it is how it is classified: silt loam. This precise classification system enables scientists and other farmers in the soil management how the soil will behave and determine suitability for specific purposes, including agriculture. So why texture matters? Sandy soil, large particles create excellent drainage but struggle with moisture and nutrient retention. Sandy, sandy soils. So you will see in many of the Middle East countries at the construction site you can encounter clay soils. Tiny particles retain water effectively but can become waterlogged and difficult to work. You might have seen when I was working in Qatar, if rain is there, then lot of waterlogging is there because it will not absorb. So loam soil, the Goldilocks of soil, balanced particle mix providing optimal water retention and drainage. Okay, so these are the differences. Understanding soil texture guide critical decision including soil management strategies. So my name is MS Akhtar. After explaining, I will tell my name is MS Akhtar. I have 35 years of experience and I am a seasoned professional and I am sharing my experience and knowledge. so that you can become a successful HSE professional. So if you want, you subscribe my channel and like and give your comments. Thank you.